What's up, Weekend Warrior Project? My name is Alex. Today I'm going to bring you the first gun video of the channel, and it is in fact an unboxing. Alright, so today, the first gun video of the channel, unboxing the Springfield Armory M1A. I recently went to Franklin Gun Shop and traded in the M1A that I previously had. I used to have an 18-inch one, which was the Scout Squad model for Springfield Armory. And today, I just decided, I'm going to go ahead and throw some of this content in on my channel as well. See, maybe somebody in the car community likes guns like I do. So here we go. So first thing you notice about Springfield Armory and their packaging is it's different. It used to be, or at least when I got my 18-inch one, that they had a white Springfield Armory box and had their logo and with the riflemen shooting and all that. And it's actually different now. What they've done is they've upped their game, and they've included, so they threw it in like a pretty bland box here, but when you open it, it actually comes with this really nice Springfield Armory case. And we'll kind of get into that in a little bit later. But as you go, the progression goes, you kind of open the box here, you open this here, it unzips, and inside is the rifle, and I'll kind of give sort of a pan of the case here. And as you can see, it's got tie downs on the left and the right here. And basically, that's just to keep the gun in one place in the case, and which is really nice. It's really got this background for anybody who likes patches like I do. You can kind of take and stick from wherever. Kind of have a nice little patch collection going on right in your rifle case. But enough about that. So let's get into the rifle itself. Alright, so when you unlatch it all, I've pre-opened this before, because, when you get a new gun, it's pretty exciting stuff. So basically, what you've got is the rifle itself. I've opted for the 22-inch barrel in the mossy oak camo, which when I saw it on the pictures, I wasn't a huge fan of it, but I saw this one sitting there on the rack, and I was like, man, that actually looks pretty nice. So I went ahead and got it. Comes with a standard 10-round magazine, which, and if you don't know anything about M1As or M14s, it doesn't go straight in like an M16 mag. You've actually got to rotate it and rock it into place where it clicks. But yeah, so that's everything that came with the rifle. Franklin Gun Shop, they gave me a free T-shirt here. I guess another note on the case is that on the front of it there's a pocket where you can put like a travel tag or even whatever other accessories you want to keep separate from the rifle. And there's a nice pocket here for all the paperwork inside the case as well. But otherwise, for now, I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing video, kind of show you what we've got here. The Springfield Armory M1A. This is a standard, so I traded the Scout for the standard. And I'm just excited to see where this all goes. I'm going to throw the scope mount that I had previously on my other rifle on this one, and then we'll maybe the same scope too. But yeah, guys, so that's the newest addition to the channel. I hope you like it. If there's anything I can do, I guess better, or if you have any suggestions for something that I could do with the videos, let me know in the comments below. But please give me a like, subscribe. I'm also on Instagram at the-weekend-warrior-project. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it.